The purpose of this video is to show you how to use each one of the Xerox machines in the teacher workrooms as a printer. This applies to the mailroom downstairs, room 120, the main teacher workroom upstairs, room 223, and the math workroom, room 258. You're going to go through and you're going to print exactly as you normally would before. So you're going to do print. You're going to get to the screen where you can select your printer. These options are only available to teachers. When you scroll through to look for your printer, you can see that this one is 120, the mailroom. This is 223, the teacher workroom upstairs, and this is 258. Select which Xerox machine you want to print to. You can go into the properties if you want to make further changes to it. So inside the properties, you can see that you can select if you want one-sided or two-sided, if you want it to be stapled. So you would make those changes. Ignore that. It's going to come up and it's going to ask you for a passcode, and you're going to actually have to set what it is you want your passcode to be. It's only numeric. I would suggest setting it to something that you're going to remember, because if you're printing from the same machine every time, it's not going to ask you for that passcode every time, but you're going to need the passcode when you go to the Xerox machine to put it in. So type in what you'd like your passcode to be. Maybe you want it to be your ATM pin. Maybe you want it to be the last 4 digits of your phone number, something that you're going to remember. You hit OK. And your job's now going to go to the printer. Secure Print is the name of the feature that we use to use our Xerox machines as printers. And just like I said before, it's going to ask you to set up what you want your secure passcode to be. Once you've sent a print job to the Xerox machine, that same computer is probably not going to ask you for that passcode again. So make sure that it's something you remember. So the process starts when you send the print job and you have to pick what you want your passcode to be. Then you're going to have to physically go to the Xerox machine, find your job, and enter your passcode to actually have the Xerox machine start printing it. And Secure Print works this way so you can keep your IEPs confidential, so it stops a student from grabbing a copy of your test off of the Xerox machine. And also, let's say you show up and you want to make 2 copies of a document and somebody sent a 500-page print job. So physically go to the Xerox machine where you sent your print job and look down at the buttons that are there, and I want you to push the job status button. And then look at the touch screen that's to the right of that. There's going to be 3 tabs across the top, and you're going to select the Secure Print Job tab and then find your name and click on it. Then it's going to ask you to enter in your passcode, and you're going to do that. And then if you look at the top right of the screen, you're going to have the option to either delete the jobs or to hit Release All. Go ahead and hit Release All, and that's going to start all of your jobs printing.